Ever wonder why rivers bend? Or why the area around a river is often flat? Well, this video discusses these ideas and others as we learn about the concept of meandering rivers. The word meander means to wander, so the principal concept behind a meandering river is that it wanders or bends across the landscape. The bends in a river are caused by irregularities in the terrain, such as a hill, that will cause the river's path to curve. Once the river starts to curve, the bend will continue to grow due to the properties of water. Water on the inside of the bend, as shown in blue, will travel slower. This weaker current will cause sediment suspended in the water to be deposited, forming a point bar. Typically, these point bars will consist of sand, although locally, pebbles are also present in point bars. Also, due to the deposition of sediment, the water is quite shallow on this side of the river, and you can often walk into the river much the same way you'd walk into the ocean. Water on this side of a bend, as shown in red, will travel faster. This stronger current tends to cut into the riverbank, forming a cut bank. Little sediment is deposited here, and that which is very coarse. This side of the river tends to be the deepest part of the river, and often contains underground pools of deeper water, as shown by the pool of water I step in while trying to cross the river. Another important feature of a meandering river is the floodplain. During the rainy season, the amount of water entering a river often exceeds the amount the river channel can hold. When this happens, the water rises over the river's banks and into the surrounding area. Years of this flooding erodes the surrounding landscape and creates a floodplain. After the initial flooding event, which can be very powerful and has enough energy to move large objects, such as trees, the water slowly recedes to the river channel once again. As the water recedes, the slow-moving water allows nutrient-rich muds to be deposited, often creating very fertile soils, good for crop farming. Over several decades, these three key features move along the river channel and appear to wander along the landscape. This is due to the fact that the cut bank erosion and the point bar deposition keep each other in check. For every ounce of sediment eroded on the cut bank side of the river, an ounce of sediment will usually be deposited on the point bar side, causing the river to slowly move towards the original cut bank and away from the starting point bar. This process takes years for even small changes to be noticed, but with the help of a stream table, the process can be accelerated. A stream table will simulate the features of a meandering river, and over the course of several minutes, as shown in the accelerated video clip, the river channel will migrate into the cut bank. In an actual meandering river, this wandering effect will make a river channel move back and forth in a landscape over several decades, and in some cases even several centuries, and is responsible for the fertile soils present all around the landscape surrounding a river. These processes explain why a river bends and why the landscape around a river is often flat.